Okay, welcome to Echotraders. It's almost 10 after 10 this morning. We're on the NQ. The NQ, a couple days in a row here. The NQ, we're looking at it's giving nice positive figures here. So the double top at 5.3, sorry, you can't see the pointer, the 5.369. There's a double top and then a little bit of a fake out to the upside. Let's put a fake out up here. My name is Dale Elliott. You're in Echotraders trading room. Okay, a little bit of a fake out to the upside. We have a target here. We're going to show you the target is, any of you that's been using fibs like we use them, you know our target is now 5352.75. Okay, and we'll see if the market can get there. I have a little disclaimer here for you to read, so take your time. Pause the tape. Recording. Now we did get a little low here, and we look to retest up here. So off of this here 61.8, we're looking for a retest of 38.2, maybe the 23.6. We often can get the 0 also in there, but we would prefer to see the retest of 38.2 to hold as new resistance. So that's what we'll look for next. If that holds as resistance, then our next target to the downside, we'll put a little blue arrow here, is your 76.4 right down in here. And that's a money off from executing short from resistance. So we'll see if that all takes place. And good luck. The market doesn't have to hit the 38.2, but often will. Okay. We'll come back and keep you posted if we can get 5352.75. Well, I wasn't expecting to talk to you this soon, but we just made our 76.4. All right. So here we are on the follow-up here. Just one sec, I grab a pen. So we did talk about the market running from prior swing right here down into money off. That's your 76.4, money off, and a retest of, we're looking for the prior swing to hold as resistance. We're looking for a echo trade from your 23 here back down and beyond. See if we can get it. Your next money off is your 127 down here. It'll look something like that. Now the momentum, the trend has been to the upside. Okay, but we do have our pullback targets. If the market puts in a double top, head and shoulders, some sort of, maybe even a higher high or a double high, double top, or a lower high, then we're prepared. We have our targets. Let me erase all those drawings, and we'll see if we can get it coming up next here. So a little deeper into than the 23 right in here. So offside is apparent, and retest it your prior swing. Okay, so we'll see if we can get back down. We want to take out this low right in here. Okay. This here makes a little bit of offside up here. So we'll print offside. Okay, so here we have a little bit offside there, and that's too bad. But this time we'll look for, we're going to leave the same fibs on. We'll just leave the same fibs on because we're talking about pecking order and all that stuff. So we leave those on, but now you're going to manage that trade from offside into a break-even area and beyond. We have another setup on your MACD. So the MACD also is crossed once again. Let's see if we get this here, copy and move right here. So we have another cross on our MACD to the downside and some divergence. So we look for divergence here, etc. And we'll reset the chart this way. Pump that up just a little bit. So this here would be extended target to the downside here at the 261.8. That's a possibility. We're not worrying about that. Our target is right here at the, so this here we call pecking order. So this is our pecking order target. Similar to our money off at the 76. We know that our 76.4 is a nice money off. Whether you use 76.4 or 78.6, it's like sometimes they're the exact same number, sometimes they're one tick difference. It's very small, very small. Okay, so now here's the dilemma of what to do next. And what I want to bring to your attention, this year market has come down into this year 23. Right in here, 23.6. So we look for a retest of the EMA. And we're looking for the EMA to hold as resistance if you're short. If you're long, you're looking for it to give up that resistance. Okay. Okay, the market has retested the highs, and we put on the chart here, this here spot right up here. We highlighted it just a little thicker yellow with the thicker blue outline, and that is a retest of that resistance. This is now a high, a lower high, and a lower high once again. So we had talked about the couple of places here about getting out at break even, and then we would hit it here. We understand that this is resistance here, and I'll put that on as a thicker outline in yellow, and that was our high, and then we outlined the lower high, and then the lower high was another lower high followed through, and then the market once this here market showed us that it's willing to trade below the EMA, we want to look for the pullback so we can hit it short from above. Now, some people say they want to see the market roll through the EMA, and we are under the belief that it's better to short the market from above, all right? And that way, for instance, over here, let me copy that. You short it from above, you have the opportunity to get out at break even if it goes against us. Okay, and that's our methodology. All right, so that's where we stand on that. We have a video of yesterday's NASDAQ also, and we'll get you a link and put that up, and that will kind of explain what I just went over. once again, okay? We suggest that you get in the pecking order, that you have a target to exit your trade plan, and you can leave that on until the market gets there. And then that's going to take you out, okay? Providing you have a runner left to get all the way to that target. And that's a for instance. So we'll get you a link for yesterday's NASDAQ and with the 2 videos. In yesterday's NASDAQ, I think it's a 7-minute video, so you can go over it pretty quick and you can skip from the front to the last, say, 2 minutes of the video. You can skip all the first part if you wish and just go to the last part. Similar to today. Okay, so now you're in a reasonable amount of money. Okay, and money is what you're doing this for. You're not doing it for anything else. Money's the main thing. What you do with the money, that's your goal. To make money, and you should have a goal to have something for the money once you make it, to put that toward, whether it's to help somebody else out or whatever those goals are. We'll come back and keep you posted when we get to 535275. Okay, so here's the link for yesterday, right in here. So let's put that on. That's a link for that NQ yesterday. And what we have here today is this here market pulled down from resistance, came down, retested EMA, put in a nice little double top, so we hit that short again, okay? Hit it short with the trend. So it was counter trend over in here. It was counter trend over in here, and that counter trend becomes the new trend. Ah, cool, right? So target, pecking order. You'll remember pecking order, okay? And I'll put that up. Here's your link right in here for what we're looking for now, and the market is nicely going that way finally. So a few counter trends, and then that counter trend, which one's going to work? We never know, do we? All right, this here one's working quite nicely. Let's get rid of all that gobbledygook. We'll come back when it gets to target. Sorry, I didn't have audio. So we're about $100 away from target, and the 5356 and a quarter is a money off target, and we look for the retest of the EMA up here. Okay, here we are, 338. What we were talking about is resistance. Resistance, hit it short. Resistance, hit it short. Almost a target, 52.75 is the pecking order. When the market's ready, we get target. Almost there. We're looking for the EMA in blue here. To hold as resistance. We may get much farther than what we're looking at, but coming into 340 here, and we'll look for resistance area here to hold, and then drop down to target with that close. We'll look to hit that short or hang on to. If you have a runner left, you're fine. If this year market has taken you out and you didn't re-enter, then hey, you had a good day trading to the target from resistance.